digital identity is the gateway to everything today, whether it's your personal, professional, corporate life, your credentials, your claims, your certificates, your licenses, everything. Yet, trust in digital identities is declining. That's why we built CREDEBL, a very powerful open source platform for decentralized identity and verifiable credentials. It acts as a secure identity layer and a reusable building block for larger digital public infrastructure solutions across the world today.
CREDEBL is built upon open standards, designed to be multi-tenant, scalable, and pluggable. Whether you want to plug it with agents or distributed ledgers. It's built on the principles of privacy by design and ready for population scale implementations. And yes, it aligns with global data privacy regulations.
We are proud that CREDEBL is recognized as a digital public good, first of its kind, and now part of the Linux Foundation's decentralized trust ecosystem, with open governance and a growing global community backing the entire platform.
Whether it is for Bhutan's national digital identity or Sevispas in Papua New Guinea, CREDEBL is already trusted at national scale.
The best part, it is open to all. Whether you are a startup, enterprise, government, or even developers
can use CREDEBL to build digital identity and credentialing solutions rooted in trust, privacy, and open standards.
Join us. Build with CREDEBL.